This IOX installation video is designed to be used when attempting an installation in a vehicle, used in combination with the Geotab Go device and a certified Geotab IOX buzz harness. Find an optimal location for install where GPS and cell connectivity are available. The IOX buzz is an external buzzer that amplifies the in-vehicle feedback to reduce the number of unheard alerts from a Geotab Go device due to engine noise. When installed, in-vehicle feedback comes from both the Go device's internal buzzer and the IOX buzz. Start with the Geotab Go device unplugged from the vehicle. Remove the IOX expansion port cover on your Go device. Plug in the 90-degree USB connector of the IOX Go device. Note, the USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation, as shown here. Secure the USB connector using a zip tie. Place the zip tie around the Go device and the harness. Ensure that the zip tie lays in the grooved space, both on the Go device and on the head of the harness. Be sure that the zip tie fits snugged around both ports, while being careful not to over-tighten it, thereby possibly damaging the USB connector. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Locate an appropriate spot to mount the buzzer where it will not interfere with the safe operation of the vehicle. Proper placement of the buzzer is crucial and has a direct effect on the driver's ability to hear the buzzer under harsh, loud conditions such as driving at high speed with the windows open. An open area under the dash is usually a good option. Keep the routing of the IOX wiring in mind when choosing a location for the buzzer and ensure it does not interfere with safe operation of the vehicle. The buzzer has two mounting holes, suitable for screws or a zip tie. In some cases, it can be taped in place provided both surfaces are properly prepared. Use a socket tool to remove any screws so the mounting location is easily accessible. When using tape, ensure the mounting surface is thoroughly clean and dry, and at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Once the surface is clean, remove the backing of the tape and carefully apply to the surface. Hold it firmly in place for 60 seconds to allow proper bonding to occur. Peel the other end of the backing from the tape. Then mount the IOX buzz to the tape. Be sure to mount it with the correct orientation so the opening for the sound is facing upwards. Hold firmly in place for 60 seconds to allow proper bonding to occur. Gather the cable and tuck it in so that it is secure and will not cause obstruction. If you require screws to secure the buzzer properly, then use a screwdriver or screw gun to secure it. Be sure to fix in place any moldings, panels, or parts that were removed to prepare for the installation. Connect any screws that were removed. Locate the diagnostic port of the vehicle under the dashboard and plug in the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps, and all LEDs will flash. Start the vehicle immediately. The IOX will enter self-learn mode, and your Go device will enter debug mode. You'll now see a screen displaying the current status of the device. If the device is communicating correctly, you will see green lettering on the last valid GPS record. If the text appears red, the device is unable to communicate and you must verify the installation. Next, secure the Go device by using a zip tie around the diagnostic port and the Go device. Be sure that the zip tie is tightened securely and fits snug around both parts. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Check to ensure that the device is now secure. The installation is now complete.